Comprehensive overview of human body composition across the lifespan. UGC Net Anthropology. Unit 4. Part 6. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Key components of body composition. 1. Bone mass. Definition: the weight of bone mineral in the body, usually expressed in kg. Growth pattern: infancy to adolescence, rapid bone development. Peak bone mass is achieved around age 25 to 30. Peak bone mass, critical for preventing osteoporosis later in life. Aging, gradual decline in bone density, especially in postmenopausal women. Healthy range adults. Women, 1.8 to 2.5 kilograms. Men, 2.5 to 3.5 kilograms. Influencing factors: genetics, calcium and vitamin D intake, physical activity, hormonal balance. 2. Body mass. Definition: total weight of an individual, fat mass plus fat-free mass. Growth pattern: increases from infancy through adolescence due to growth in muscle, bones, and fat. Stabilizes in adulthood unless influenced by lifestyle or disease. Body mass index, BMI. A tool used to classify weight status, but does not differentiate between fat and muscle. BMI equals weight kg / height superscript 2 m superscript 2. 3. Percentage of body fat, %BF. Definition: the proportion of fat in the body relative to total weight. Normal ranges: men, 10 to 20%. Women, 20 to 30%. Athletes typically have lower body fat percentages. Changes over time. Infancy, higher fat needed for energy storage. Adolescence, males gain more muscle, females retain more fat, especially hips, thighs, breasts. Aging, tendency for fat to increase due to slower metabolism and muscle loss. Measurement methods: BIA, bioelectrical impedance, DEXA, skin-fold calipers. 4. Segmental fat analysis. Definition: measurement of fat distribution in body regions, arms, legs, trunk. Why it matters: helps identify central, abdominal, obesity, a risk factor for metabolic diseases. Reveals asymmetry or imbalances, e.g., one leg having more fat. Growth observations: fat may concentrate differently depending on sex, activity level, and genetics. Central fat tends to increase with age. 5. Body age, metabolic age. Definition: an estimate of your body's health relative to your actual age based on body composition. How it's calculated. Based on resting metabolic rate, RMR, muscle mass, fat percentage, and activity level. Ideal, body age less than or equal to actual age. Can be improved by increasing muscle mass, reducing fat, staying physically active, changes in body composition across life stages. Life stage bone mass, muscle mass, body fat keynotes. Infancy rapid growth, low-high fat stores support rapid growth. Childhood developing increases, decreases slightly motor skills and strength increase. Adolescence peaks, increases, sharply diverges. Girls, boys' hormonal changes cause sex differences. Adulthood stable peaks around 30 stable or increasing lifestyle influences become dominant. Aging, 60 plus, declines, decreases, increases, sarcopenia and osteoporosis risks rise. Optimizing body composition. Nutrition, adequate protein, calcium, healthy fats, and hydration. Exercise, strength training, aerobic exercise, flexibility work. Sleep and stress, crucial for hormonal balance and recovery. Monitoring, use of BIA scales or professional scans every 3 to 6 months. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.